Every year, billions of dollars in legitimate tax deductions go unclaimed. Not because the rules don't allow it, but because no one was looking closely enough. In 2026, two forces compete to solve that problem. We went to the independent research to find out which one actually protects your business and what the data says will change how you think. For small and medium enterprises, tax compliance is not a back-office task. It is one of the most consequential financial decisions made every year. Missed deductions, misclassification, cross-border compliance failures. The penalties compound quietly until they don't. The profession managing this risk is under structural pressure. According to the AICPA, CPA examination enrollments fell by nearly a third in just 3 years. The talent pipeline is narrowing at precisely the moment complexity is increasing. Into that gap, AI has arrived with real capability. A 2024 Deloitte survey found 70% of CFOs are already integrating AI into finance. And for defined tasks, transaction processing, receipt categorization, real-time reconciliation, AI delivers. But a 2024 Thomson Reuters study found that AI-only tools misclassified income in 23% of cross-border tax scenarios, and in nearly 1 in 3 SME filings failed to apply jurisdiction-specific concessions. This is not a failure of technology, it is a boundary condition. AI performs where rules are codified. It struggles where context, jurisdiction, and judgment intersect. The research points to a clear conclusion. A 2024 McKinsey study found that businesses combining AI automation with senior human advisory identified up to 28% more eligible deductions than those using either approach alone. The hybrid model is not the future. According to the research, it is already the highest performing model in finance today. And a Deloitte benchmarking report found that small and medium enterprises with outsourced finance models embedding senior advisory reduced their total finance function costs by between 30 and 45%. The data supports one conclusion: integration outperforms either extreme. NCSGX was built on this architecture. We are a global financial services firm operating across accounting, tax advisory, bookkeeping, outsourcing, and strategic finance, serving businesses across Australia, Canada, and international markets. We deploy AI for the work where it is definitively superior: speed, accuracy, automation, reconciliation, and our senior advisors for what demands human judgment: tax strategy, cross-border planning, risk advisory, and the decisions that carry material financial consequences. Faster turnaround, lower cost, and outcomes no standalone tool can deliver. If you are a business owner or CFO who wants to know whether your current model is leaving money on the table, book a complimentary 30-minute tax review with an NCSGX senior advisor. The link is in the description. No obligation, just a direct expert assessment of your position. NCSGX, Smart Finance for a Smarter World.